Today I'm going to do something I haven't done in a long time. It's a bit of fishing. So we're going to go throw the cast net in, and if we catch some small mullet, some bait fish, we might throw the rod in as well. So see how we go. Red light! The water is high, but it's going out, so just got here in time. But have a look what I'm dealing with. Can't see a bloody thing. So put some water in so I can keep them alive, because there's nothing better than live bait. And I'll just chuck this aerator in, keep them alive. And I've had this for like 30 years. It's amazing. But anyway, let's see if it still works. Should still work. Yep. Work like a trooper. That was a good throw. Being the first throw. Alright, let's see if we can repeat it. Little herring. We don't need those ones. You go back, mister. But I saw a mullet fall out. And here's one in here. Let's get him out. Oh, come on. You don't want to damage them. Let's go. Can you see? Let's get away from that rock. Oh, there's something in it. Some mullet still. We got a little herring. Oh, we got a little flathead too. Let's get the herring back. Come on, Mr. Mullet. And these guys got spikes in them. Right, he's back. Nice size mullet for bait. Is there any more? Let's lift her up. There we go. Nothing in that one. All right, let's give it a bit of a rest and let the fishies come back. So let's have a look at our catch. Yeah, there's a couple there dead. The rest are doing well. I think it's time for a coffee. Let's do it. Oh, it's nice. It's a nice day today. A few clouds about, but it's all right. The only thing I don't like is the wind's picking up, so it mightn't be good for fishing later, but we'll see. Anything in this one? Nothing in this one. All right, just come up just a little bit, and we'll give it a go here. All right, let's see if there's anything here. Nothing in that one. Let's go back up here. Try a little bit further up. I'll do one in here, and if we don't catch anything, then we'll just go. I think we got enough anyway. I'm just having fun with it. All right, here we go. Would be good if we catch a nice big flathead. I doubt it. Something in there? There's something in there. Oh, there's a few in there. Beautiful. And a little bit bigger too. Here's a nice one. Some parts of the world, these are considered big. There's just 3 in that one, I think. All right, I'll just do one more. One more throw. I'm having too much fun with it. Oh, there's one. I might swap the water around, get them some fresh water, keep them alive longer. So let's get some water. We'll use this bucket. Oh, there's a few there. Up here, little munchkins. Oh, look at the mess in my car. Nice. I don't know, maybe, what do you reckon? About 15, 20 of them? I'll count them later. All right, so that was a bit of cast netting here, and we'll go and do some fishing now. So let's head off.